Hello everyone, today we're going to do a spend calculator, basically something that we can use to manage our expenses on a month-to-month basis, see how our finance tracking does. A very simple one, not too complicated. The intention is to do Excel trainings on basis of practical use, which will give a more idea about how these formulas and calculations work. So starting off, what you have to do is create an expenses list. So I'll start off with, say you have a bank loan or a company loan, say you have a advance account, okay, you have a credit card payment, credit card say 1, you have credit card 2, or you can name it as say HSBC, Visa, HSBC, or MasterCard. Right now, say you have other expenses. What could be, like for example, electricity and water. You have your room rent. Say you have car installments, you have your mobile payments, okay. Now also say internet packages, internet package payments, okay. Okay, then what else? So okay, so you have some investments that you target on a monthly basis. Also your own personal budget, or say, what do you call that, petty cash or expenses, right? Okay, so these are your basic expenses that comes on a month-to-month basis, okay. And so this is the heading. I will highlight this bold and color it, okay. And now let's put in the values. What are the values for this? Bold. You can copy the format painter. Okay, so let's try that. Select it, copy, paste. So you select the formatting basically. Let's try that once again. So you enter the values, okay, and you want the same heading formatting to apply to values. For that, what you do is select the column or the row or the cell what you have to update or what you want to copy formatting of. You can see cut, copy, and then you have a format painter. Select that, which will select the cell formatting, and wherever you want to apply the same formatting, left click on it. So here we go, and there it has copied the formatting of expenses. Now values can be, say you have a bank loan of $175, company loan of $200. Yeah, company loans don't take interest, but their monthly payment is kind of normally high. Advance account, you're paying just the minimal that you have to pay. Oh wait, let's start off with the overdue amounts rather than pending, or you can mention it as balance, okay, that's to be paid. So whatever your total outstanding is for each of them, that's what you have to mention. Say you have a bank loan from a bank for a total of $6,000, a company loan of say $1,000, advance account of $1,000, HSBC Visa $300, 300 Master, electricity, water. Okay, now these are not balance to be paid, these are monthly as it comes. So on a monthly basis, so monthly payments. So what is your monthly payment for bank loan. Again, I'm going to copy the format and paste. Okay, now what is your monthly bank loan payment? It could be $175 per month. Your company loan could be, say, $200 a month. The company loans are normally, as I mentioned, more in value, but it has low or zero interest rate. Advance account, you're just closing your minimum balance what you have to. Visa, maybe you're just closing again the minimum monthly payments. So now that is bold, remove it. Electricity and water, on an average it comes to say $50. Room rent is about $50. Again, don't go by the values. I'm just putting some random numbers so that we get a clear idea about how these calculations work. Car installments, say you have $120 too less, $170. Okay. Mobile payment of say $35, internet $35, investment say $200. Petty cash on a monthly basis, say you need about $200 to survive. Okay, now you see some of them has a dollar sign, some of them doesn't. Easy way to format: select the cell where you want the format to be showing in dollars, come to home, go to number section over here, change this to number, currency, whatever you need. Right, select currency, there you go, all of them has a dollar currency. If you want to change different currencies, select it, right click, format cells, currency, change the currency what you want, and decimal point, reduce, increase, click OK. There you go. So we have the expenses over here. It's going to select all, put a line bracket over there. Now let's see how we can subtract these values from our monthly expense. So let's calculate the total expense over here, just for once. Total expense. Okay, this is your monthly base payments. So you can either put equals sum and select the range. Okay, close the bracket. So from where to where you want to sum, put it inside the bracket, enter. You can do sum by equals, selecting each of them, plus. So this is hard work. Okay, you don't need it. You don't need to do that unless all the values you need are not in the range. Now it's in the range. As I mentioned, you put equal sum, or you have a formula or section away where it says in home editing, click on auto sum, and it selects all the adjacent cells so that it gives you a sum value. Let's bold it out with the shade. Okay, and that's your total expense for a month. Now let's add a column on the top. Right click, insert, right click, insert, right click, insert. Now what we'll do is put the month. Okay, and your pay per month, or you can monthly pay or salary. Okay, and total income. Say for example you have some commissions, probably my commissions. Okay, now we're going to enter the values over here because you have just the expenses over here. We don't want to mess it up. Say month of Jan 2021, Feb 2021. Okay, let's move it all the way to December. So if you select Jan and Feb, and then over here in this bottom right hand side move your mouse, you get a plus sign. Click and drag so it auto fills all the way to December 2021. Your monthly pay or package, say it's about $2,000. Okay, again currency, I want that to show as the dollar, and I want this dragged all the way to the right. So unless you have a figure on the right, say this is 3000, okay, then it automatically increases it, say 5000, 6000, 7000. Oh, we all wish that salary increases every month, but that doesn't happen, so we're going to stick to 2000 over there.